Hello friends, welcome to channel Genius Kids. Today's video is about class 4 2003-23-24 Science Olympiad questions set A. Okay, so let's go through the questions. So there are it is 100 marks question. Total number of question is 30 and the duration is 40 minutes. And this question paper is three parts: section A, section B and section C. In section A, the science question, there are 20 number of science question and is 3 marks each. And in second section B is about reasoning and aptitude, which have 5 questions and 3.5 marks each. And in scholar zone, section C, there are also 5 questions and 4.5 marks each. Okay, so let's start about the section A science. Question 1: which while eating apple, Raman observed that he is biting the apple with one kind of teeth and chewing it with different kind of teeth before swallowing. He concluded that a person has different kind of teeth for different functions like cutting, chewing, etc. Is his observation is correct? So we know we have in human there are four type of teeth. It is incisor, which is used to cutting any food. Then is canine, which is tearing the food, which is used for tearing the food. Premolar, which is used for crushing the food, and molar is used to chewing the foods. So there are different teeth which are used to for different functions like cutting, chewing, etc. So his observation is correct. So option A is the correct option. Okay. Second one, the picture shown below base represent an. So in this figure, if you see there is liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, everything is there. So we can say that this is a organ system. This is an option B. This is an organ system, and this is a digestive organ system. Okay. So this is the your correct answer. Next one. Next question. Next question is myopia is a disease associated with myopia is a disease which is associated with eye. Okay, myopia is disease which is associated with eye. Question 4: the rock shown below is an example of the rock is a limestone. So limestone is an example of sedimentary rock. Okay, it is an example of sedimentary rock. Next question: which of the following statement is correct? All types of soil contains rock particles. Yes, this is correct. All types of soil contains humus in same proportion. No. When you go down, the humus will be reduced. So all types of soil contain different type of humus. Water holding capacity of all types of soil is equal. No, this is also not correct. Water holding capacity of all types of soil is not equal, and none of this is also not correct. So answer A, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next one is question number 7. Non-biodegradable waste is one of the major cause of land population pollution. Which one of the following is a better option to get rid of non-biodegradable waste? Burning, throwing it in ocean, recycling, dumping in soil. So burning it will cause air pollution. Throwing in ocean, it will cause water pollution. Dumping in soil, it will cause land pollution. So recycling is the correct option. So His answer is C. Next one is that which one of the following is not a part of our solar system? Mars, Pluto, Uranus, Ursa Major constellation. So Ursa Major constellation is not the part of our solar system. Okay, this is your Ursa Major constellation, and this is not the part of our solar system. Question number 9. What will happen to the temperature of Earth's surface if sun suddenly stops giving heat and light? So, what is the sun suddenly stops giving heat and light? Option A is there will be a sudden increase in temperature of Earth's surface. No. There will be a sudden decrease in temperature on of Earth's surface. Yes, it is correct. Let's see other options. Temperature of Earth's surface will remain unaffected. No. None of these also no. So, option B is your correct answer. Okay. Question number 10. If all the carbon dioxides are removed from the air, what will happen to the green plants? Option A, all green plants will die. Option B, our environment will become more greenery due to large number of green plants. Option C, growth of green plants will become much higher. And option D is leaves of all plants will turn into spines. So what will be the answer? Answer is option A. Why plants will die? Because during for the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, trees are required, plants are required carbon dioxide to make food via in the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So if carbon dioxide is, and carbon dioxide is an essential part, carbon dioxide is CO2, it is an essential component, and if there is no carbon dioxide in the air, then all green plants will die. So option A is your correct answer. 11. The, the types of plants shown below mainly grow. This is a cone type plants. So these type of plants are grow in on mountains. So option C is your correct answer. Melting down of candle into liquid wax is an example of conversion of what is? It is option C, solid into liquid. So candle, it is solid into liquid. It is a physical conversion of solid into liquid. So option C is your correct answer. Who of the following is correct? Manav. Different plants have different kind of leaves, so we can identify a plant by looking at its leaves. And Shreya, a single plant has different types of leaves, so it is not possible to identify a plant by just looking the leaves of the plant. So in any plant, the leaves in any plant, any type of plant, leaves are same. All leaves are same on that plant. So in this in Manav and Shreya, Manav answer is correct because different plants have different kind of leaves. So we can identify a plant by looking all its leaves. It is correct. But here the Shreya statement, different a plant, single plant has different type of leaves. This statement, this is not the correct one. So who is following is the correct? Manav is correct. So option A, Manav is the correct answer. A cockroach reproduces by laying eggs. Option A is the correct answer. Why reptiles are known as cold-blooded animals? Because they live mostly in cold region. No, this is not the correct one. Because their blood is very cold and remains freeze most of the time. This is also not the correct answer. Because their body temperature depend on the surrounding. Yes, because they eat always cold flesh. That is wrong. So option C is your correct answer. Jack saw an animal. Question number 16. Jack saw an animal. He wants to know the feeding behavior of the animal. So he offered different types of food to the animal. So, so what did he do? Jack feeding want to know the feeding behavior of that animal. So he offered different type of food to the animal. The animal eats some food and left others which has shown in the table. So food that animal eats: banana leaf, mango leaf, apple, brinjal. Okay, but which is left? It is flesh, egg, insects, dead frogs. So that animal is not eat this type of food. So what type of animal is that? This animal is an herbivorous type of animal. Okay, this is the so option A is your correct answer. 17. Question number 17. Frictional force is applied in which of the following cases? So let's see. Option A car moving on the road. Yes. When a car moving on the road, frictional force applied. A writing on a paper with pen. Yes. This is also correct. The frictional force is applied on the pen. Walking on the road. Yes. This is also correct. So your option is D. That is all of the above. This is your correct answer. Option D. Okay. Kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy of a body is the energy due to body at rest? No. Kinetic energy is energy due to motion of the bodies. Okay. So this is your correct answer. Let's see other options. Energy obtained from the sound? No. Energy obtained from the sun? That is also no. So option B is your correct answer. The devices given below use dash to do their work. So this is your mixer, this is your table fan, this is your um, iron. So all these are operate or these will work with the help of electrical energy. So option B is your correct answer. 20 number of question. This is the last question in the science section. So let's see which of the following statement is correct. Molecules in liquid are loosely packed in compared to solid. Yes, this is correct. Liquid have a fixed shape. No. Gases have fixed volume. No. None of these also no. So option A is your correct answer. Okay. So let's move into next section. That is the reasoning and aptitude section. Section B. So let's see the questions. First question is that 21 number question. Which number will replace the question mark in the number pattern given below? Here we need to find out what is the there. So if you see these options, let's find out how we find it is 20. So if you see in the first one, in first picture, 6552. Okay. So let's see. It is if we multiply 6 into 5, it will give you 30. And if you multiply 5 into 2, it will give you 10. So 30 minus 10, it will give you 20. Let's see if we do this, same pattern will follow here or not. So if we again we multiply 7 into 4, that will give you 28. And here 3 into 2, it will give you 6. So 28 minus 6, it is also giving 22. So this also, this way, also it is satisfy this pattern, this equation. In next also we can see it is happened or not. 7 into 9, it will give 63. 6 into 4, it will give 24. So 63 minus 24, it will give 39. So in same way, we will multiply 7 into 8, that will give you 56. And 3 into 9, that will give you 27. And if you minus this 56 minus 27, this will be 29. So option D, 29 is the correct answer. Next one, correct arrangement of the following words as they occur in the dictionary. So in the dictionary, how it will occur? It will occur by the alphabets. Alphabets in order. So if you see in this one, first one is M. First letter is M. Now, what is the position of the, let's see what is the position of the second letter. So, A in option 2, it will come first. So, if M A and whatever the remaining things, this word A, it will come first. Then A, then if you see I, in one option it is I. So after AI, then third one is O and Y. So if you see first it will come A, then it will come Y, then it will come O, and then last will come Y. So it will option is 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, this will be the order. So let's see if this order is available. Yes, option A of then this option A is 2, 1, 3, 4. So this is your correct answer. Okay. How many triangles are there in the given figure? If you count how many triangles are there, if you found that in this pattern there are total 9 triangles are there. So I asked my dear students, please calculate. If you calculate this one, you can find that there are 9 triangles. So what are the options? Less than 6, wrong. 7, wrong. More than 8, yes. None of this wrong. So option C is your correct answer. Okay. 24 question. Shushan's birthday falls one day before 4th February of the September 2086. 4th February of 2086 in month of September. On what date Shushan celebrates her birthday on in September 2086? So see, minutely find see the options. This falls one day before 4th Friday. Now here option is a Friday, 5th is the first Friday. Then if you calculate this one, what will be the 4th Friday? So to 5th Friday, next Friday it will be 12, next then is 19, and the fourth Friday is 26. Now here it is written that one day before. So one day before of 26 is 25. So what will be the answer? Answer will be option B, 25th. 25th of September, 25th in September 20XX. Okay. 25 number question. There are 5 tables. Table A, table B, table C, table D and table E. Table A is taller than table D. So we can write A is greater than D or taller than D. Table B and table E are same height. So we can write B equal to E, same height. Table C is shorter than E. C is shorter than E. Then C also shorter than B because B equal to E. Okay, and table D is taller than table B. So this D is taller than B. So D is same as taller than E also. So if you find these conditions, these 4 conditions, we can find that A is greater than D and D is greater than B and E, and B and E both are taller than C. A is taller than D, D is taller than both B and both B and E are taller than C. So which table is the tallest among the 5? So which is the tallest? Tallest is table A. So option A is your correct answer. Okay. Now let's move the next section. Section C is the scholar's zone. Let's see the questions. Read the following conversation and find who is speaking the truth. Schumann. What is Schumann is say? It is a myth that water becomes polluted if we throw garbage into it. The fact is that water never becomes polluted. No, if we throw garbage in the water, it will pollute the water. So that will cause the water pollution. So Schumann is not speaking truth. Sneha. Of course, water becomes polluted when we throw garbage and other waste into water sources. Yes, Sneha is absolutely correct. Shreya, Shreya, what is it? 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. So it is not possible to pollute such a large amount of water. No, water become polluted if we throw. Yes, it will not cover. Maybe it will not cover at the same time, but yes, it will cause a water pollution. So Shreya is also not true. What is Rama? Millions of tons garbage and other waste are produced every day. If they are not disposed properly, then uh, they will not pollute water only, but soil and air too. Yes, the millions of tons of garbage, it will, if we not dispose properly, it will create water pollution, soil pollution, and land pollution and air pollution. So Sneha and Rama is speaking the truth. So Sneha and Rama is the option B. So option B is your correct answer. Okay. Next one, 27, question number 27. Which combination of statements is correct? So combination means that in this, if there are five options, so combination is option that more than one statements are correct. Okay, in these options. So let's see. Constellation is a group of planets which form certain pattern. No, it is not a group of planets, it is a group of stars. Milky Way is the name of constellation. No, this is also not the correct one. Neptune is larger in size than Venus. Yes, correct. Earth moves not only around the sun but also around its axis. Yes, that is also true. Earth moves around the sun by moving around its axis. So it is correct. Distance between the sun and Mercury is less than that of the sun and earth. So Mercury is the, so if this is the sun, this is the Mercury, this is the Venus, this is the earth. So distance between sun and Mercury is less than the distance between sun and earth. Okay, so this is also correct. So 3, 4 and 5, these are correct. So let's see 3, 4 and 5. So option B is your correct one. Okay, let's see the 28 number of question. Who of the following is correct? Rajan, more than 50% of herbivorous animals eat flesh. No, wrong. Rajesh, more than 80% of aquatic animals spend most of their time on land. No, this is also wrong. Raman, parasites obtain their food from their hosts. Yes, parasites are obtain their food from their hosts. So Raman is correct. Ramesh, more than 90% of the herbivorous animals eat leaves of bamboo plants only. No, that is also not the correct statement. So who is correct? The Raman is only correct. So option C, only Raman is the correct answer. Okay. Next one, 29. Question number 29. Some words are missing from the table given below. Choose the correct option to complete the given table. Fixed plants, lotus. Let's see what is the option is there. Tap grass, tape grass, no. Water lily, yes, water lily correct. Here also water lily correct. Hydrilla, no. Water lily is the fixed plants. We know water lily fixed plants, so water lily. So A is not correct one. D is also not correct. So within B and C, any of the option will be correct one. So let's see other options. Underwater plants. What is the underwater plants? Underwater is hydrilla, water lettuce. So here the hydrilla is the one which is underwater plants. Water lettuce is not the underwater plants. And last one is the floating plants. Duckweed is the floating plant, not the Venus type, fly type. Okay, so option B is your correct answer. And the last question. So the last question is that a ball is thrown up in the sky and it traces the path as shown in the figure given below. So ball is thrown. There are some positions, ball's position as mentioned there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, before it again touches the ground. So find what is the question? Find the correct combination of statements. So there are more than one statements are correct. It can be three, can be four, but more than one. So let's see. The ball has the minimum potential energy when it is at the position 2. No, no. Option is not the correct one. This is not the correct statement. The ball has maximum potential energy when it is at position 3. At position 3, yes. The maximum potential energy is at position 3, because at position 3 it will go higher, and then it will again start coming down to ground, towards ground. So option 3, potential energy of the ball at position 2 is equal to the potential energy of the ball at position 4. Yes, this is on the correct one. Okay. Last option, the kinetic energy of the ball does not change with the change in the position of the ball. No, we know the kinetic energy will produce while moving the body. So option 2 and 3 is the correct one. So it is your option B. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. So these are the all 30 questions in 2023-24 Silverzone Science Olympiad. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please press the like button and please subscribe and share the button. Okay, I will come up with the other videos also. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.